Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing to review time again. Today, I will bring you something different. Chang! This is a couple watch today. Okay, I will take it out and show more detail to you. This small one is for women. And this bigger ones absolutely is for the men. Okay. This is a very outer thick and super simple design. We can see middle the dial. There are two kinds of patterns combined. It's the sunrise pattern in the middle, and the up and down pattern is the wood pattern. And also this dial we can see only 3 hands and the indices, and this small window on 3 o'clock position is for the date. And this also a very simple design crown is for adjusting the time and the date. And also this model we use the soft Milanese strap. I would like to try this lady model. Open the buckle here. Then we can try it. This color made me look a good skin. Yes. It's very small dial, I like it. Okay, these models we got 4 colors. I will show you later all the colors. Hello, welcome back. Actually, this is 5 color. I make a mistake just now. Just now I've shown you this gold color. I think this gold color is very gorgeous and very bright color. I think if you want to buy it as a gift for your daddy or mommy, I think it's very good color. Yes, I think my daddy or mommy will like this color. And now the next one is the silver combined the black color. It's my favorite colors. Let me show you the details. Soft Milanese strap. Okay, here is the model for me. It's the bigger one. I like the very simple one, and this small one for women. The back side, the model number, and the back case. And here is the Milanese strap, the buckle. Have our brand logo on it. I'm going to try this small one. Wow, isn't it? It's my color. It's my watch. I have to tell you many times I like the small dial for ladies. Yes. Okay, the next color is blue color. This is very fashion color. Let's have more details. I'll show you this main model. I have a protection for the strap. The Milanese strap is the stainless steel, And this blue color was used the rose gold case combined. Okay, this is the blue one. The next color I will show you, it's a silver one too, but this silver one is different from this silver one. Just now I show you the silver one is the black dial combined the silver strap. Now these are all silver. The case, the strap, and the die are all silver. It's the most simple design, this color. Okay, the last color is the coffee color. It's a very fashion color too. The strap and the dial is coffee color. The case is rose gold color and the buttons rose gold color too. Open the buckle. Now this is this color for you all. Combine these two sides. Okay, this is all for today. If you want to buy it for your partner, your lover, you can choose your favorite color to buy it in our official store. And this, if you buy two, you can got a very big discount in our official store. Okay, this is all for today. If you want to see more models, just tell me which model you like and I will make the review for you next video. Okay, bye, see you next time.